Hi Year 4, it's Miss Bridgewater here with your spelling lesson for Wednesday. I've been keeping a close eye on Spelling Shed, so let's go and see if the leaderboard has changed.
As you can see, there's been a little bit of movement with the leaderboard today. The top class is still 4B. Well done, 4B. You've got a score of over 28 million. 4S, you're not too far behind, so let's see if you can get into first place next time. 4M, you're doing well in third place. And finally, 4EP. Come on, 4EP, let's see if you can get further up the leaderboard next time. I'm going to award everybody in 4B another whole class dojo point for aspiration for trying so hard with your spellings. Keep it up, everybody. We're going to continue with our learning objective today to practice and apply our knowledge of the suffix shun, S-I-O-N. So I introduced the rules for S-I-O-N with you on Monday. Let's just have a quick recap. So rule 1 is if the root word ends in a D, you remove the D and you add S-I-O-N. Rule 2, if the root word ends in S-E, you remove the S-E and add S-I-O-N. And finally, if the root word ends in D-E, you remove the D-E and add S-I-O-N. Let's have a go at applying some of those rules now. So here's the first your turn activity for today's spelling lesson. So here are all the verbs in blue on this side of the page. Remember, verbs are doing words. They are the root words for our spellings this week. What I want you to do is to turn the verbs into nouns by adding the suffix S-I-O-N. Remember to think about the rules that you need to apply. Look at the ending of the root word. Does it end in the D-E, S-E or a D? Pause the video now and have a go, and then come back to me and we'll see how you got on. So the first one is provide. The root word ends in a D-E, so we have to remove the D-E and we add S-I-O-N. So provide becomes provision. The next one was tense. It ends in an S-E, so we remove the S-E and we add S-I-O-N to become tension. And then finally we've got comprehend. Comprehend ends in a D, so we cross out the D and add S-I-O-N, so comprehend becomes comprehension. I hope you did okay with those. So now we've had a go at applying the suffix shun, we're going to have a go at practicing your spelling words. So today we are going to be looking at a spelling scramble activity. Here's a reminder of your spelling words for this week for each group: the 9 spellers, the 7 spellers, the 5 spellers and the phonics spellers. Pause the video now and copy down your spelling words if you haven't had a chance to yet this week. So here's an our turn and I'm going to explain the rules of spelling scramble. Here's one of your spelling words, all jumbled up. Can you unjumble the letters to find out which spelling word it is? Phonics spellers, here's one of your words all jumbled up. Can you do the same and work out what spelling word it is? Pause the video now and have a go. Did you manage to work it out? The first one here is explosion. And phonics spellers, yours is coin. Well done, everybody. So now it's your turn. On this side of this page, you can see the spellings for the 5, 7 and 9 group. And here are the phonics spellings, all jumbled up. Can you unjumble the letters to work out your spelling words? Pause the video now, have a go, then check back and we'll look how you got on. Right, 5, 7 and 9 spellers, let's check how you got on now. So the first one is comprehension. The second one was provision. Number 3 is expansion. Number 4, exclusion. Number 5 is the word extension. Number 6 is invasion. Number 7 is tension. And the last one is erosion. Well done. Some of those were really tricky. Then phonics spellers, here are the answers to yours. So number 1 was the scrambled up word for soil. Number 2 is noise. Number 3 is toilet. And number 4 is voice.
So that's the end of the spelling section of this video for today. Keep practicing your spellings ready for your test on Friday. Join Miss Murphy tomorrow for her spelling lesson, where she'll be doing some more practicing activities with you.
So we're looking again today at curly caterpillar letters. You've already done C and A with me, and you did D and G with Miss Murphy yesterday. So today we're going to be looking at the letter Q and the letter E.
So this is the handwriting section of the video. I'm going to show you a quick handwriting warm-up to get our fingers ready for our writing. So this one, we put our hands together and we tap our thumbs together, then our first finger, second, third and fourth. We've tried this a few times in my class, and the idea is for you to get quicker and quicker as you go. I'm going to put some music on now and have a go at doing this to my favourite song. So I'm going to start off really slow, and then I'm going to get quicker and quicker. See how quick you can get at home. So now I've warmed up my hands, let's get started. So we're going to look at the first curly caterpillar letter today, which is a Q. So a Q starts at the middle of our line, and it's a descender, so it goes all the way down to the bottom of our line. Okay, so let's have a look. So we go round, back up to join it, right down to the bottom with a little flick. Let's have another go. And I'm making sure that they're all exactly the same size, down to the bottom with a little flick. We'll do one more. All the way around, back up, down with a flick. Now let's have a go at joining. Now a Q does not join out of it. So when we have the U that always follows a Q, we don't join that. Let's have a look together. So our Q starts at the middle, goes up and down for our descender. So now we take off our pen or pencil, and we're carrying on the same word. I'm going to be writing queen. So we don't start all the way over here. We have a little gap. We do our U, because a U always follows a Q. And then the curly caterpillar E letter, another one, and then my N. So as you can see, I'm writing quite slowly there, just to make sure that I am really focusing on my letter formations and my joins. Pause the video now and have a go at doing these at home. So we're going to look at our final curly caterpillar letter for today, which is an E. So we start here, we go up to make the curl of it, round, and that's how you form an E. Let's have a go at another one. So we start here, we go round, up, and back down. As you can see, my E's are all the same size. One more. There we go. So now we're going to practice joining. E, we join out of an E. We're going to have a go at the word eat, because we can use our curly caterpillar from the other day as well, the A. So we start with our E. We keep the pen or pencil on the whole time. The A, I'm going to make exactly the same size as my E. And my T is not quite an ascender, it goes halfway up, back down, and if you remember, it crosses at the same size as the E and the A. I'm going to have one more go at that. So my E, and then it's really important with the A that it goes up and back round on itself. Join it up and then halfway up for our T, back down and cross it at the same size as our E and A. Have a go at doing those at home. Continue to practice your handwriting, and I'll see you next time. Bye!